Gentlemen, do you panic before a date and immediately grab your stiffest corporate suit? Women are genuinely exhausted by men who try way too hard. When you overdress, you project deep insecurity instead of mature masculine confidence. True old money elegance is about mastering the art of looking phenomenally wealthy while remaining completely relaxed and unbothered. Today, we decode the 15 effortless spring outfits women find absolutely irresistible on men over 40. Stop stressing over your wardrobe. Please subscribe to the 40E Style Guide. One. The Midnight Blue Ribbed Polo. Women are genuinely exhausted by guys showing up to dates wearing incredibly stiff, over-tailored suits that make them look like corporate lawyers. To instantly capture that deeply attractive, effortless charm, you absolutely need a midnight blue ribbed polo. This spectacular, textured knit gracefully hugs your shoulders, providing a powerfully masculine silhouette while remaining entirely relaxed. Pairing it beautifully with tailored charcoal linen trousers creates an intoxicating, deeply mysterious aesthetic that women find completely irresistible. It shows that you possess massive wealth and sophisticated taste without ever desperately begging for attention. This flawlessly curated combination unconditionally guarantees you radiate pure, quiet confidence during a relaxed evening date or a sophisticated weekend wine tasting effortlessly today. 2. The Camel Suede Trucker. Trying way too hard with flashy designer logos is the absolute biggest turnoff for any sophisticated woman. The ultimate alternative for a relaxed spring afternoon is the Camel Suede Trucker Jacket. This extraordinarily rugged yet remarkably soft jacket gives you that highly coveted, incredibly capable masculine edge without looking intensely aggressive. Coordinating this gorgeous piece with simple cream cotton twill pants establishes a phenomenally rich, perfectly balanced outfit. Women truly appreciate a man who understands luxurious, unstudied layering. The bright, earthy tones completely brighten your mature complexion, inherently radiating immense positivity and refined charm. You will easily command her complete attention and deep admiration during a beautiful outdoor brunch using this brilliantly executed combination effortlessly. 3. The Faded Olive Bomber. Women naturally gravitate toward men who project a quiet, intensely unbothered confidence. Wearing heavy, highly rigid formal wear completely ruins this attractive illusion. To achieve an incredibly handsome, effortlessly relaxed vibe, you must utilize the Faded Olive Unlined Bomber Jacket. The wonderfully soft material beautifully drapes over your shoulders, providing fantastic structural framing while feeling remarkably comfortable. Matching this magnificent jacket with tailored beige lightweight denim establishes an astoundingly dynamic, highly intelligent color tension. This exact aesthetic clearly signals that you are a highly successful patriarch who actually knows how to relax gracefully. You will unconditionally secure her deep admiration during a wonderful sunset walk through a beautiful historic neighborhood this season. 4. The Open-Knit Chocolate Sweater. There is something incredibly magnetic about a man who utilizes heavily tactile, exceptionally soft garments on a casual date. Women absolutely adore the visual warmth of a chocolate brown open-knit sweater. This brilliant, highly breathable piece reveals subtle hints of a crisp white undershirt, creating a phenomenal, deeply masculine layering effect without ever looking overly formal. Coordinating this breathtaking sweater with perfectly pressed stone gray poplin trousers delivers an astoundingly clean, incredibly polished silhouette. The luxurious contrast between the deep chocolate and the bright stone firmly demonstrates your advanced sartorial knowledge. This highly curated combination unequivocally guarantees you look ridiculously handsome and entirely approachable during an intimate daytime coffee date. 5. The navy linen Harrington. Nailing the smart casual seaside aesthetic is practically a guaranteed way to capture immense feminine attention. Rather than defaulting to a basic, boring blazer, you must introduce the navy linen Harrington jacket. This phenomenally elegant, completely unlined piece offers a breathtakingly sharp waist-length cut that dramatically slims your older waistline. Partnering this spectacular dark jacket with pristine white linen blend trousers establishes a remarkably beautiful, heavily cinematic nautical vibe. Women strongly associate this impeccably tailored look with massive old money wealth and deeply sophisticated world travel. You will flawlessly radiate an aura of absolute unapologetic confidence while enjoying a romantic outdoor seafood dinner by the water this beautiful spring evening right now. 6. The dusty pink Pima tee. Most guys completely underestimate the sheer attractive power of a perfectly fitted, extremely high-quality t-shirt. A basic undershirt looks terrible, but a dusty pink Pima cotton tee looks remarkably expensive. The incredibly luxurious, slightly dense fabric gracefully hugs your chest, instantly signaling immense physical vitality and relaxed maturity. Tucking this magnificent romantically toned shirt into dark brown tailored chinos creates an astoundingly dynamic, highly intelligent color pairing. The rich brown deeply grounds the soft pink, preventing it from ever looking terribly juvenile. This flawlessly simple, incredibly sharp combination absolutely proves to women that you inherently understand the beautiful art of understated masculine elegance during your casual weekends very effortlessly today. 7. The slate gray cashmere cardigan. Cardigans are practically a secret weapon for older men, provided they fit immaculately. Women absolutely love the incredibly comforting, highly intellectual aesthetic of a well-tailored sweater. You must acquire a slate gray cotton cashmere cardigan. Leaving it casually unbuttoned over a crisp white Henley shirt instantly projects a phenomenal aura of unstudied wealth and romantic charm. Coordinating this beautiful upper half with deep olive gabardine trousers establishes an astoundingly robust, intensely handsome masculine silhouette. The subtle contrast between the cool gray and earthy olive looks ridiculously expensive. This exceptionally curated outfit unconditionally guarantees you command her absolute admiration while walking leisurely through a stunning historic estate. Very beautiful spring afternoon. 8. The terracotta linen shirt. Women are incredibly drawn to men who confidently wear warm, earthy tones instead of constantly hiding in boring black shirts. The warm terracotta linen button-down is an absolute masterpiece for relaxed spring style. This fantastically breathable, heavily textured shirt naturally brightens your face, loudly signaling immense vitality and a deeply passionate spirit. Pairing this remarkably bold shirt with rugged sand canvas pants creates an exceptionally handsome, highly cinematic resort aesthetic that feels completely unforced. It perfectly captures that highly desirable, sophisticated Mediterranean vacation energy. You will effortlessly radiate intense magnetic charm and pure old money confidence during any exclusive outdoor lunch date you confidently attend with absolute masculine ease today. 9. The forest green Pique. Looking highly athletic without wearing sloppy gym gear is extremely attractive to women. The incredibly sharp forest green Pique long-sleeve polo perfectly achieves this heavily desired balance. The distinctly structured collar frames your mature face beautifully, while the breathable, slightly stretchy Pique fabric elegantly accentuates your shoulders. Tucking this magnificent polo into sharply tailored light gray tropical wool trousers creates a phenomenally crisp, undeniably masculine visual contrast. It demonstrates profound respect for yourself and your date by blending superb tailoring with completely unstudied comfort. This wonderfully executed outfit absolutely guarantees you look staggeringly handsome and completely unbothered during an upscale afternoon museum date with pure masculine ease right now today. The cream suede layer. Wearing heavy, rigid outerwear completely hides your mature physique and makes you look incredibly stiff. Women deeply appreciate the exceptionally soft, highly luxurious texture of a beautiful cream suede overshirt. This phenomenally elegant piece softly drapes over your torso, instantly making you look immensely wealthy and utterly relaxed. Partnering this spectacularly bright, tactile jacket with perfectly draped, navy high-twist wool trousers introduces an astoundingly rich, deeply authoritative visual contrast. The dark pants heavily anchor the entire look, preventing the light suede from ever looking overwhelmingly flashy. You will effortlessly project a fiercely respected, fiercely magnetic charm during any sophisticated evening social event you confidently attend very perfectly right now today. The dusty blue merino. Loud, aggressively printed sweaters completely destroy the mystery and quiet power that women naturally crave in older men. The absolute pinnacle of highly attractive, understated knitwear is the dusty blue merino crewneck. This extraordinarily soft, brilliantly muted sweater naturally accentuates your masculine chest while remaining completely unpretentious. Matching this exceptionally refined top with crisp tan, worsted trousers establishes a flawlessly balanced, heavily cinematic transitional spring outfit. The incredibly warm tan perfectly complements the cool blue, radiating immense sophistication and relaxed old money charm. This brilliantly curated ensemble definitively proves you understand the profound power of quiet luxury during a beautiful casual weekend afternoon date very effortlessly right now today, friends. The burgundy chore coat. Women are deeply fascinated by men who confidently embrace robust, slightly rugged outerwear without ever looking terribly sloppy. The burgundy linen chore coat accomplishes this phenomenal balance flawlessly. It provides exceptional, highly masculine utilitarian structure, while the breathable linen ensures you look totally relaxed and unbothered. Partnering this striking, deeply rich outerwear piece with exceptionally clean, light khaki drill trousers introduces a completely breathtaking visual tension. The bright khaki heavily anchors the bold burgundy, creating a highly intelligent, intensely romantic outfit. You will effortlessly command her absolute adoration and project immense worldly affluence while enjoying a quiet afternoon at a beautiful historic vineyard this very lovely spring season right now. The ice gray short sleeve knit. Replacing your standard cotton t-shirts with luxurious knitwear is the absolute easiest way to make women immediately take notice. The ice gray short sleeve sweater is a spectacularly elegant, highly sophisticated substitute that radically upgrades your casual spring rotation. This phenomenal, incredibly breathable garment drapes with pure old money perfection, instantly broadcasting immense physical capability and deep maturity. Tucking this brilliant sweater perfectly into deep navy cotton chinos creates a flawlessly clean, incredibly powerful contrast. The exceptionally dark pants forcefully highlight the stunningly crisp gray top. This strictly curated aesthetic firmly guarantees you radiate massive unstudied confidence during any upscale relaxed daytime gathering you confidently attend very effortlessly right now today. (14) The Sand Matte Coat. Women are incredibly charmed by a man who looks completely prepared for shifting spring weather without sacrificing his tailored aesthetic. The Sand Lightweight Matte Coat is an absolute masterpiece of transitional dressing. Its exceptionally clean, highly architectural lines naturally elongate your silhouette, granting you an intensely commanding, completely unbothered presence. Matching this fantastic coat with beautifully tapered charcoal gray denim pants establishes a staggeringly handsome, deeply urban contrast. The robust charcoal denim completely grounds the bright coat, totally avoiding any stiff formalness. This beautifully orchestrated outfit unconditionally guarantees you look overwhelmingly attractive and immensely capable during a cool afternoon city stroll with absolute complete masculine ease right now today, gentlemen. (15) The Espresso Knit Polo. To project the ultimate level of relaxed, unforced, old money elegance, you must embrace incredibly rich, completely understated color pairings. The Espresso Brown Knit Polo absolutely dominates casual spring settings with its breathtakingly deep, highly intense masculine warmth. Women absolutely adore this remarkably soft texture over harsh, cheap cotton blends. Tucking this phenomenally elegant polo into perfectly tailored pale gray cotton trousers creates an astoundingly dynamic, fiercely sharp visual tension. The extremely light pants brilliantly highlight the remarkably rich upper half. This flawlessly curated ensemble guarantees you permanently command her absolute respect and profound admiration during any highly exclusive evening date, completely effortlessly, right now, my incredibly good friends today. Mastering this unstudied, incredibly relaxed aesthetic is the absolute fastest way to command deep feminine admiration. By intentionally abandoning stiff corporate armor and fully embracing rich, highly tactile spring fabrics, you permanently separate yourself from the desperately overdressed crowds. You instantly become the quietly confident, wildly attractive patriarch that women naturally gravitate toward. Never let your clothes scream for unnecessary attention ever again. Claim your magnetic old money presence effortlessly today. To continuously elevate your undeniable masculine charm, please subscribe to the 40 Style Guide.